How's it? Spike here from Wavescape with your updated surf forecast for the JBU Supertrial presented by RVCA this weekend. This forecast was made on Tuesday evening, and we'll start with the surface wind charts from First Weather. There we have a storm forming southwest of the country. By early on Wednesday, as you can see, there's a pretty gnarly storm down to 939 millibars and a nice area of fetch pointing at JBay. It strengthens into quite a fierce nugget of central fetch power with gale force to 50 knot winds blowing over a several 100-mile fetch. By Thursday morning, it's still there and coming closer and very strong. And by Thursday at 8 a.m., it's the same. And then it starts to move off Thursday afternoon. So if we had to look at the wave model, we'd see the swell. Here it is. This is the period chart from Storm Surf. There we have Thursday afternoon at 2 p.m., Thursday night, early Friday morning, and now you can see the main pulse of that swell. Obviously, most of the energy is there and would be fantastic if that part was facing up the underbelly of Africa, but unfortunately it is not. However, you can see there's a nugget of southerly to southwesterly ground swell, and it's pushing hard into the Southern Cape and Eastern Cape area all the way through Friday. In fact, if there's an initial pulse there that's arrived early on Friday, it's already up into KZN by then. And come Friday afternoon and evening, the main pulse is there, and there should be some solid 4 to 5 foot sets at JBay at Supers. So looking at the early hours of Saturday morning, 2 a.m. and then into 8 a.m., you're looking at 14-second southwesterly swells at 8 a.m., becoming 13 seconds by 2 p.m., and still enough 13-second swell by the evening on Saturday. So I think organizers will be hoping that the swell holds for Saturday. Winds are looking a lot better for Saturday. If you look at Friday here, we've got the powerful swell, and there you have that southerly contingent of 15-second really strong swell, and there's a nice bit of energy in there and a nice bit of size, 14 to 15 foot ambient swell. So in the afternoon, there will be maybe 6 foot sets at JBay, but unfortunately, yeah, the swell is building slowly during the day, and the winds are southerly. Saturday, though, winds are light or glassy, southwesterly to southerly, with a slow push of an onshore, but much later in the day. So it really does look like Saturday's the day. We need to hold thumbs, obviously, that the swell is going to hold. And then if you just look at the close-up of the wind conditions, there's Thursday, a bit of a buster. Friday, you see those southerlies are there, which is a bit of a concern. And then by Friday night, there's a big high-pressure system lurking, but fortunately it just seeps into the southern area, and then highs over the land and the sea equalize the gradient and the pressure, and you have like very light winds on Saturday and all the way through the day, very glassy, and then the onshore bites later on. Anyway, let's hope that there's some waves. See you Friday or Saturday in JBay.